Hello, I am Ivor Pandur, I am from Croatia, I am 22 and I'm quite excited for the World Cup. Our country is, I think, one of the most beautiful on this planet because, yeah, especially I'm not really objective, but okay. So we have everything that you need for a vacation, for the food, for the people. It's really nice. I think depending on the teams, I don't know, Brazil, France, it's really difficult. But I think they have a chance if because they believe it. Modric, yeah. Without him, we are different, and you cannot even see the age on him. So I think he's the most important guy.
Is he a hero in your country?
Yeah. We look at him like, I don't know, like he's our god. It's the biggest thing we have because it makes our country feel more positive, to have a better look in the future because football gives us a lot of emotions and the people really live for it, live for the World Cup, European Cup, everything. So for us it's really big. Uboj, za narod svoj. It's like this. I don't say anymore.
What does it mean?
It's really bad. It's like fight for your country. Please don't put this on the TV.